The BMW E38 is not just a car. It's a true icon of its era, a symbol of German luxury, comfort, and prestige. Once the benchmark of business-class sedans, time has taken its toll. The body has lost its shine, the interior shows years of wear, and the mechanical parts demand serious attention. Now, it's time to bring this legendary machine back to life. In this project, we will carry out a complete restoration, bodywork, repairing every defect, treating the chassis against rust, and giving it a brand new paint finish. Interior, reupholstering the seats, restoring the elegance of leather and wood trim, and replacing worn or damaged parts. Mechanical systems, rebuilding the engine, suspension, and electrics to make the car not only beautiful, but also reliable on the road. Our goal is not just to repair the E38, but to return it as close as possible to its original factory condition. Every detail should look and function the way it did when this BMW first rolled off the production line. This journey won't be easy. It will take countless hours of work and dedication, but the reward will be worth it. Restoring a classic car is more than just fixing metal. It's about preserving history, bringing back soul, and reviving the character of a true legend. The BMW E38 deserves a second life, and we're here to make it shine once again as a masterpiece of timeless automotive elegance.
to get things back your way. I'll be honest tonight, so tomorrow will be fine. I've seen you a million ways to get things back your way. When you put up a fight, trying to make things right. Are we gonna do the waiting? It's hard to be the better one. And when it comes back, it comes back. Can't say what I'm thinking. Hold it in for the better. And when it comes back, it comes back. I've seen you a million ways to get things back your way. I'll be honest tonight, so tomorrow will be fine. I've seen your different ways to get things back your way. When you put up a fight, trying to make things right. Are we gonna do the waiting? It's hard to be the better one. And when it comes back,